Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, and today got a very exciting boat we're going to talk about. 2018 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck. Beautiful boat, all white, and I mean all white, very clean, very pristine. Got less than 120 hours on it. We'll talk about that here in a minute, but lots of very, very cool features on this boat. Let's start out. We've got this beautiful all white Mercury Verado here on the back, and of course this is the supercharged motor that runs absolutely wonderful on this big 27 Sea Ray. Look down here in this storage area under the rear deck. Obviously, if this was a stern drive boat, that's where the motor would be, but that closes up very easily, locks up. And then you'll also notice back here the sun pads, area where you can sit. You can articulate those so that like a chaise lounge, you got a very comfortable seat. Also got a place over there to plug in your phone and charge it up. Ski tow bar, so if you want to pull the kids on an inner tube or water skiing like some of us old guys, you can do that as well. Nice big walk through here going into the back of the boat. And even with the outboard, you've still got a nice big swim platform here on the back of the boat, and of course a 4-step ladder that goes down on the starboard side. As we step into the boat, again, very, very easy to walk into this big 270. And one of the things you're going to notice is how much seating this boat has. So you've got the U-shaped seating here in the cockpit area, and this beautiful table that'll store down under the front console. And of course, underneath these seats, we've got great storage on both sides. And then underneath the back here, we have our batteries, battery switch, and all the access to the other pumps and whatnot as well. Great floor storage, so if you do have water skis or things that you want to carry with the kids, got plenty of room to put that down below. Passenger seat on the port side, you can fold it back like this so that it's easy for somebody to lay out and lounge looking out the back of the boat. They can also sit and lean against this while they're looking out the front of the windshield. Slide it back. We've got a nice double helm seat here for 2 people to sit, along with the captain over on the other side. At the helm, we've got the Simrad nice glass dash, and right now I was talking about the hours on the motor. You can see 119.54, and lots of great stuff on this system that you can use and check out as well. And of course, one of the biggest things is you've got the navigation system built in here so that you can tell where you're going, where you've been, and where you can go and have more fun. This unit has the Rockford Fosgate great stereo sound system in it, digital controls, power steering, and of course on this side we have the head. This boat is very clean, very nice. Again, no odors, no smells, no stains. Really, really clean and nice. As we walk forward, of course we got the walk-through door here, so we can close this area off on a windy day, as well as the windscreen. And then as we get forward, we have another storage area here in the floor. And you notice it's got the nice rubber pad in there to keep gear nice and secure. Up here in the bow area, nice big molded fiberglass storage area. And you notice the seats on the Sea Ray have hinges, so you're not lifting a cushion up and having to store it somewhere or hold on to it. Up in the bow area, nice anchor storage, as well as the ladder that goes over the bow so that you can get in and out at the beach, or as we always talk about, if you're up at Cabbage Key, you can get in and out there as well. Got a wash down here on the front for your feet so that you can make sure you're clean before you get back in the boat. Bimini top to give us plenty of shade in the cockpit area here, as well as the back of the boat. This boat has full canvas on it in terms of a bow cover and a tonneau cover, cockpit cover for the stern back here. Very, very nice boat. As I mentioned, all white, clean, crisp, ready to go. Give me a call right here at MarineMax in Fort Myers. This boat is another one that's not going to last long. This is a 2018 270 Sundeck Sea Ray with that Merc Verado in the white color on the back of it. Take care.